Today we're gonna see how to transfer money from Western Union to Easypaisa account. Firstly, launch the Easypaisa app on your smartphone and log in. On the home screen, tap on Bank Transfer option. Select the bank you wish to send money to and input the recipient account number. Get your bank info details from the Easypaisa app, then head to Western Union. Log in, then initiate a bank transfer. Enter your Easypaisa bank account details, then confirm them. Enter the amount you wish to send, and then hit the send button for the transfer to complete. You will receive a confirmation message once the transfer is successful. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.